care of my body, but it's harder to work out my brain. Velocity.com is based on neuroscience, and it just seems like games, but it's serious brain training. And I am happier with my brain, definitely.